Good morning students and hello parents. Today I welcome you all in the craft class of standard 3. In this class we are going to learn how to make a peacock, which is the national bird of our country. So without wasting our time, let's learn. The materials required for making a peacock are as follow. We will require the A4 sheets of different colors, and for preparing a peacock I have used these colors which I am showing in my video, children. So I am using an A4 sheet paper of violet color, light pink color, dark blue color, light blue color, dark green color, red color, yellow color, orange color, and finally light green color. So with these sheets of different colors, I am going to make the feathers as well as the body of this peacock, children. Apart from these sheets of papers of different colors, we also require a scissor and a fevicol to give a shape to our peacock, children. So after learning the materials required, let's learn how to make the peacock with these beautiful craft materials, children. First, I'm going to use a paper of dark blue color in order to draw an outline of the peacock's body, children. So as you can see over here, I've already prepared the outline of this peacock, and after finishing with it, now we are going to the next step of making the feathers of this beautiful bird, children. And for making the feathers, we would require the colorful sheets of papers which I've already demonstrated while telling you all about the materials required. So in order to make the beautiful feather of this beautiful bird, first I'm taking this green sheet of paper in a landscape position, and then I'm going to fold it in this manner. First I will give a turn on the front side, then I will turn it to the back, and I will fold it similarly on this side also. So like this we are going to give the turns on either side, and we are going to make the feathers of this beautiful bird, children. So in this way you have to continue till you don't reach to this end of this paper, children. So in this way you can see that I have finished with the bending of this piece of paper into many folds, and then I'm going to fold it in the middle in such a way that both the ends should be equal in length, and then in this way you are going to make feather of this bird. But we are going to use multiple colors in order to give a beautiful shape to the feathers of this beautiful bird, children. So for that I'm going to use the another sheet of different color, and then I'll be using the same process of bending and preparing it. So I'll be showing you the final view of the feathers once I complete it finally at the end. So children, as you can see, I have folded each different set of papers of different color to give a beautiful look to the feather of this peacock, children. Now what I'm going to do after being ready with these feather is I will try to paste each feather's end to the previous end like this. I'm going to fix up the second feather to the end of the previous or the first feather with the help of Fevicol. I will apply the Fevicol on these two edges so that it can be fixed up nicely. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I will apply the Fevicol nicely, and then I will paste this edge of the second sheet of paper to the first colorful sheet of paper at this point, children. You have to press them in the middle. You have to press in the middle like this. And similarly, I'm going to do it for the others, which will be pasted after this red colorful sheet of paper. So I'll show you again once this beautiful feather is going to be completed, children. So children, as you can see in front of you all, we have two beautiful fans made up of different colorful sheets. And these beautiful fans are now going to be the feathers of the peacock. Okay. Now we need to understand how are they need to be placed also. So I'm going to tell you how each of these fans are going to be placed one above the other so that they should look very attractive and beautiful, children. So first I'm going to use this one, which will be in the front, and this fan is going to be placed above the other in this manner so that the feather of our peacock could look more attractive and fabulous. So after understanding how to place each one of them over the other, now let's do it with the help of Fevicol, and after that I'm going to use this outline of this peacock in the middle of this feather so that we could have a real peacock in front of our eyes, children. I know you all are getting very excited, so without wasting our time, now I'm going to show you how to complete this beautiful craft work, children. So now I'm going to keep them aside and I'm going to draw the feathers over this body, and I will show you how does it look at the end. So this is our final body of the peacock, which is ready in front of you. Only what we need to do is to give a final finish is to paste a googly eye to it. I will paste it with the help of a Fevicol. And then I will place it over the correct place. As you can see, now it is looking like a real peacock, children. After that, there's something missing over here, that is the beautiful feathers of the peacock, for which this beautiful bird is famous all over the world. So we all know that we have prepared two beautiful fans that would make the feather of this beautiful bird, children. So first I'm going to paste them one above the other, but before that I need to use this cutout in a V shape that could be placed in the center of this feathers so that it will look like as if these feathers are attached to the body of this beautiful peacock, children. So how to do that? Let me show you. So in this way, children, I've pasted these beautiful feathers at the end of the body of this peacock, where if you would have noticed, there was a gap which got stuck into these beautiful feathers, and in this way it appears as if it is stuck to the body of peacock children. Let me give a final touch to this so that you can see it later on. So children, as you can see that our craft work is finally ready, and isn't it looking colorful and prettier, children? Yes. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this peacock and surely going to practice this at your house under the guidance of your parents, children. Thank you.